Stop. If you're thinking about buying DubMash AI, there's something you need to know first. DubMash AI claims that a single English video could be transformed into over 120 different languages in less than a minute, without hiring voice actors, without recording anything yourself, and without paying monthly fees. Sounds crazy, right? Stay with me because in this review, I'm going to show you exactly what DubMash AI is, what you get inside, the pros and cons, and some exclusive bonuses I've put together for anyone who grabs it through my link. Let's get started. What is DubMash AI? DubMash AI is an AI-powered video localization tool. You can paste a YouTube URL or upload your own video. The software then automatically detects speakers, translates the content into another language, generates realistic AI voiceovers, and creates a fully dubbed version of the video. It works for YouTube videos, movies and trailers, online courses, podcasts, interviews, reels and shorts, marketing videos, product ads, and much more. Benefits: why people are interested. Most content online is only available in one language. That means millions of potential viewers never see it. With DubMash AI, creators can expand into global markets without spending thousands on translators or voice actors. Another huge advantage is the commercial license. You can offer video dubbing services to businesses, YouTubers, agencies, course creators, and influencers. Inside DubMash AI you'll find one-click video dubbing, 120+ language support, multi-speaker detection, human-like AI voices, automatic transcription and translation, voice timing synchronization, YouTube video import, commercial license, cloud-based dashboard, and one-click export. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: beginner-friendly, supports 120+ languages, multi-speaker voice detection, commercial license included, no technical skills required, and potential agency opportunity. Cons: AI voices may still need manual review for certain projects. Results depend on original audio quality. Some languages may perform better than others, and internet connection required since it's cloud-based. Results: what to expect. DubMash AI is not a magic money button. Buying software alone won't create income. If you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, or agency owner, this tool could dramatically reduce the time and cost required to create multilingual content. The real value comes from leveraging the technology to reach larger audiences or offer dubbing services to clients. When you get DubMash AI through my link today, you'll also receive these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: AI Video Agency Starter Kit, value $297. Get proven client acquisition templates, outreach scripts, proposal templates, and agency resources to help you start offering AI dubbing services quickly. Bonus 2: Global Content Expansion Blueprint, value $247. Learn how to identify profitable international markets, choose the best languages for maximum reach, and scale content across multiple countries. Total bonus value $544 plus free when you get DubMash AI through my link today. So is DubMash AI worth it? If you're looking for an easy way to translate and dub videos into multiple languages, DubMash AI offers a very interesting solution. Then yes, it's definitely worth trying. If you want to check out DubMash AI and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.